အခုလည်းအားရကျွန်တော်တို့မယူအလဲအထက်တိုင်းကျောင်းကနော်မတိုင်းကျောင်းဆိုဖြစ်တဲ့မအားပြပါကိုတော့မယူအလဲကျောင်းတော်ကြီးစေစုတရားများပြောကြဆေးပါရဲ့ဒီကားဆိုတာဖန်အားအပ်ပါတယ်ခင်ဗျာ
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Respected teachers, dedicated parents, dear classmates and friends, and honored guests. My name is Asifa, as a Rohingya refugee student standing on the bamboo and charm stick. Simple yet resilient. I'm reminded that our school, Smailite, is built not on concrete, but on the unbreakable chain of our community. Today, we celebrate the outstanding achievements of my dear classmates and friends. Yet, we must first acknowledge the challenges that makes these successes possible. Our lives were uprooted by violence and uncertainty, forcing many of us to flee and interrupting our education. In those dark times, fear threatened our futures. But visionary leaders like our founder, Mr. Mubinullah, along with committed teachers and community elders, refused to let hope fade. With little resources, no funding, no permanent structures, only these faith in our potential. They started a middle school in temporary shelters, founded on sacrifice and determination. From those humble beginnings, we have grown into a complete high school, providing a path from early learning to grade 12. Every class and exams represents a hard-won victory, made possible by those who believe in us. To all nominated dear classmates and friends, your accomplishments pay tribute to their perseverance. Let us clap them. To our award winners, my dear classmates and friends, as you step forward on this temporary stage, since the engineering's strength is symbolized. These awards are a deep thank you to our teachers who educated us without proper facilities and to parents who sacrificed everything. They are a legacy, continuing the courageous story of Maylai, initiated by Mr. Mubinullah and others committed teachers. Though he's not here today, his vision lies in every achievement. We hold him in our heartfelt prayers. Above all, they are a promise. The light of knowledge, once ignited, will never be lit. You are its guardians. You combat a recruiting community armed with value, courage, and unfailing resolve to confront a brighter future. Accept your awards with pride. Look upon our teachers, elders, and parents. This achievement is shared by all. We are Maylite. Today, our light shines ever brighter. Congratulations to all achievers. Let us celebrate in this meaningful day. Thank you.